Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to add YouTube link in Facebook story. So please watch the video till the very end to learn how you can add a clickable link on your Facebook story. Now for that, first of all, you need to choose a video or a link that you want to upload on your story. I'm gonna go open my Facebook application. Now to post on a Facebook story, first of all, you need to go to the YouTube section, then choose the video or the YouTube link that you want to share. I'm just gonna choose this random song. Here you tap on share option. Then you tap on the news feed. Now you share this post first in your Facebook feed. I'm gonna post this going back to my Facebook account. I'm gonna go check my profile, and there you can see the song that I have just uploaded on my Facebook feed. Now for you to paste this link on the story, you need to tap on the share option. There you will see the option of share to your story. I'm going to tap on it, and with this you will have a clickable link on your Facebook story. Now that you have shared it in your story, you just tap on the share option over here, processing, and there you can see the uploading is in process. Now you can go back and check your story. You can see on the top finishing up, and your story has been uploaded. I'm gonna tap open that. Now you tap on the YouTube, and there you will see the option of view website. If you click on that, you will be directed to the YouTube page of that link. This is the way of how you can share a clickable YouTube link in your Facebook story. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and update. Thank you.